not trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Let's check out some articulation. So look at that, we're still good on this side. Wow, that's a big drop, Ryan.
Yeah.
I mean, we're good so far.
Dude, how's your rear wheels?
It's a really good spot.
Yeah, you got plenty of space for the rear.
That's so cool. Let's keep going, because our adventure is way up there.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it.
What's up, everyone? So today we are out with our first adventure taking the truck off-road. We've come back to this huge hill. If you guys remember, we were here with about 500 miles on the truck, and we did all the testing with it, with the two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive and crawl control. So we are back now to do the exact same test and see how much better the truck performs, not only with the lift, but with my new Ridge grapplers as well. You ready to tackle this hill again?
Have some fun.
Look at this articulation already. So we don't have any rubbing in the rear. We're good in the front. I'll be making a video here soon of my 500-mile review of the lift and the tires. Go over how it's performing so far on the road, along with any rubbing issues or anything like that. But let's get into today's video. Let's climb this hill. So unfortunately, since last time, which, what do you think, a year ago now?
I think it was a year ago.
Probably been about a year. It's very overgrown, but this is the area that we went up. You think it'll be harder with all this stuff on it now?
I don't know, it was a lot of dirt last time. I don't know if it's a little bit more slippery.
Well, it did rain all last week.
It's kind of hard to convey how steep and big the hill is. It's a lot bigger, obviously, in person. This is level with the camera, and I'm looking right here.
You can see me struggling.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's like 25 degrees or something like that. So it's up there. It's a pretty good amount. And then we'll do the same angle from last time, which is a really good perspective. I'm gonna stand way over there. So Mike's coming down. You can get a good look at the steep incline. Here's just another perspective.
So this is just normal 4 high.
So just some momentum to carry you pretty much?
Yeah.
Front tires were spinning.
Yeah.
I know, yeah, people are gonna comment saying more momentum.
Ready?
So let's give that a shot. Yep.
Just normal 4 high.
All right, and just, yeah, stay straight.
Just remember, I don't have mud grapplers, I have ridge grapplers.
Ridge grappler tires.
So, 4 low.
With rear locker?
No locker.
No locker?
No locker.
Okay. It's really slippery. You're just sliding. Yeah, you're sliding down. While he puts the locker on, let's see what the tires and tracks are looking like, because it's...
Yeah, I'm mowing it down for it. Four low, rear locker.
Man, it's just spinning like crazy.
I'm sliding.
Yeah, that's slick.
Well, crawl control.
All right. Now, would the multi-terrain select do anything? So 4 low, rear locker, mud sand.
This is good because when a lot of people are trying to compare between doing it yourself and crawl control,
Yeah.
we're pretty much trying everything we can do by ourselves.
Yeah, but
So it's not a skill level. Now it's very muddy out.
Yeah.
I mean, brand new tires, but very slick.
Yeah.
So now we'll go into crawl.
Setting 3 fast or slow?
I'm not in crawl yet.
Okay.
Setting 3 is kind of in the middle.
We'll get a closer look at the tracks, but it's just like mud right now.
Oh, I'm in crawl. Get you to help.
That's just spinning. I mean, it's just spinning like crazy. I don't see it happening. We can try one more with momentum, I guess, but...
Now that I've mowed down a path?
Yeah, let's see the ground we're looking at. This is about as high as he's getting. We can see the ground, just a muddy mess. You can see the angle We only have like a truck and a half length to go. It's pretty steep, and I mean, it's grass and mud. So what's next setting?
Well, I'm in 4 low with the rear locker.
All right.
Which means I can't really punch it that fast.
Yeah. I mean, he's sliding with the wheels locked.
I should put my windows up.
Yeah. Your wheels are not moving and the truck was sliding down.
I know. Well, we could at least go down it.
We can go on the other side to get up there.
I'm a little disappointed, but it rained for 5 days straight.
Yeah. When we were here with the stock truck, that was like bone dry out, and it did it.
Yeah.
You've gotten a lot of comments about rubbing. So daily
Yes.
driving, street use, there's no rubbing on the
There's
street.
no rubbing
On the
at
street.
all. Yeah,
Okay.
on the street.
And it's not that your truck's a magical unicorn, right?
No.
Just
I
how
mean,
it
we
is.
can see it. It's not even, it's barely, it hasn't even rubbed now on this whole test.
Well, I will be the judge of
We're
that.
not even like doing anything hardcore,
Yeah.
but we're flexing a little bit.
All right, so
Enough to test.
a subtle flex. I mean, the front obviously isn't compressed. No rubbing there. So rear chop, or rear cab chop.
Yeah, how we doing back there?
Okay, right there, it almost touched the cab.
Did it?
So eventually, I think that will be the first.
At some point.
Yeah, we're right there on the front. Nothing. Cab chop mount, I think, will have to be done. Because it almost, it bounced and got really, really close and then didn't hit. But that is definitely going to hit on anything more extreme. But at least the good thing is with this setup, as you guys have seen, the daily driving capabilities is there for street use. There's no rubbing or anything weird. But then anything aggressive.
I'm not gonna use crawl control because that's just gonna slide. So are the brakes.
See, yeah,
That's the thing.
it's gonna slide the whole way down.
I don't know if that's good because if we get going too fast, all I am is hard on the brakes and we're not moving. This might be the end of today's video.
Might
Do we
be.
have to push it?
Might be the end of the Tacoma.
People say, oh, you're not gonna push it, you're not off-roading. I
Well.
also don't want to die either, so.
If it starts sliding uncontrollably, just keep it straight
Oh, so we're going for it.
if you go for it.
Yeah, I'm so much more nervous now than when it was a dry and no crap in the way.
So we're gonna spot him just so he does it nice and perfectly straight.
It's the moment of no return here.
Yeah. He is inching on the brakes.
30 degrees.
30 degrees, I don't know if you guys heard that.
My seatbelt locked.
And look how level the camera is, look at that. Just keep nice momentum. There you go. You can see his tires sliding a little bit, but that's nice momentum, just keeping it nice and steady. Front tires slid like 3 feet. There we go.
I definitely got to take you back down it before we leave.
Yeah? Yeah, could be too steep maybe. That's the closest he's got. He's doing it in crawl control right now. Ah, I thought I was gonna have it. Yeah, he's just spinning. I can almost grab him. Yep, just spinning. I think that is a fail for the attempt. No getting up this hill today. Guess just combination of the rain and the slipperiness of it. Well, a little unfortunate, didn't make it up the hill. It was really cool when the truck was stock, but I guess he's gonna come around the backside again and pick me up. I'll try to film that a little bit. But pretty cool to see the different modes and how they each perform, although with the slipperiness, it just didn't get traction. The last time we did it, we had the stock tires, so kind of interesting how even with the knobbier tires, just couldn't even do it.
Well, at least this time around, can't say I didn't give it more momentum.
Yeah, you tried everything.
Buckle up.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you know what's cool? There we go.
Oh, cool. So here is flat ground, guys, and in a few seconds we'll see the ground. Alrighty, guys, we were up here. Now we're down here. There's level ground. Here's me. Oh boy. My seatbelt just locked.
Still going.
We're at
There we go.
at least 30 degrees.
That's our full, that's our full 30.
This is the truck level, guys. This is ground level. Oh my goodness, my seatbelt
I know, it's locked.
is literally holding me. This is level. Oh boy. My seatbelt is holding me, actually. That's definitely a pretty steep hill. That's
right.
pretty fun. Well, unfortunately, they didn't pick it up.
I know, right?
What went wrong?
Mud. And even though they're brand new tires, they're not rated for mud. They're a hybrid, on-road, off-road.
But now I guess we'll do a few little things just to look at rubbing. Because of course they lifted truck, bigger wheels, there's probably gonna be some rubbing. But even as of right now, we haven't rubbed on anything. This is not anything aggressive. So if you guys can see, that's about maybe 2.5, 3 feet deep right there.
Oh, am I lined up good?
Yep, just go straight. Let me go look at the other side real quick. So here's the rear cab again. I can fit a finger, but if it does go up higher, this part would rub. But as of right now, with this angle that he's at, which is, you know, semi-aggressive. So since I am his cameraman, I gotta run all the way down here just so he can take this little road to get a cool clip of it. But we are about to get a nice little clip.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Thumbs up, Mike actually came back to get me. I appreciate you coming back for me.
All right, guys, so that's thumbs up, taking the truck off-road for the first time with the lift and tires. Unfortunately, like we said earlier, it rained all week last week, so it was pretty muddy with the grass and obviously with all the mud. We did what we could, all the momentum. We tried to get up that hill, but I think it was kind of more fun going down it. Now, this wasn't out at an off-road park or anything like that. We just found this random field here that we were at about a year ago, so nothing crazy off-road. But it was nice to be able to do some little scenarios and at least test the truck off-road and see if there were any rubbing issues. I probably will eventually have to do the cab mount chop, but for right now, daily driving, no rubbing. Even going to this little place here, no rubbing. So I think overall, it's a pretty good setup so far.
And the upper control, we did get we got a ton of comments on rubbing.
We didn't rub on that turning, did we?
There wasn't rubbing, and since it was covered in dirt, there was nothing worn off of it, so the tire definitely didn't hit it. So overall, with the, what, plus 10 offset?
Plus 10 offset.
And 12.5 tires?
Yeah.
12.5 tires with 33s, daily driving and light off-road, nothing.
We're good.
Now, if you were to hit something a little bit more aggressive with your wheels turn, you would have hit the cab.
Yeah.
It was almost there, almost bounced off it, but then once the spring decompressed, it got away from it again.
Yeah.
But I think that's a pretty good setup for at least what you're doing with it now. And then when we do it on more aggressive terrain, we'll see. But
so we can still off-road and not have to worry about that mod just yet.
Yeah.
I need to do some research on that to see
how to do it,
the best way to do it. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos with the Tacoma.
And don't forget, we have new merchandise. I'm wearing my GTR hoodie. We have a Tacoma design done. That will be up very soon, maybe in the description of this video, but definitely check out the link in the description and an ad below this video to see all the new merchandise, RA, 370Z, and GTR designs, and the whole logo design, so definitely check those out as well. So you can finish the video now.
All right, guys, so again, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next video.
I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.